Hey guys, as you can tell, I was just outside as my lenses are still transitioning to the dark stage. I just put some bread out there for the birds that went bad in the truck. And there was a crow that was just there. I guess it just flew off. Wasn't that hungry. But man, birds show up pretty quick when you put bread out. So I wouldn't be surprised if quite a few birds show up. So I've already been running with my new student for like 3 or 4 days now. It's been a lot of hands-on training, so sorry I haven't really been able to do a lot of video. I have done some editing on the videos I have already posted. I'm out of footage, but I was really kind of able to catch up on what I did have. The student I have right now, he doesn't know if he wants to be on YouTube, okay? So, you know, if he doesn't want to be on YouTube, that's going to limit some of my recording capabilities, because, you know, I'm going to respect that. But if he so chooses to be on my video later, you know, he will be. The second student, I'm not even going to say his name, because, you know, he doesn't want to be on YouTube. He doesn't want to be out there. So we're just going to refer him to student number 2, or student. So student number 2, when it comes to his backing, he's actually doing really quite well. But I've had to learn how to explain how to back up better than I did in the one video I did with my first student, Jerome. So I'm going to redo another video, kind of maybe sitting down on it with a piece of paper and kind of explaining some more things that can go with that first video, you know, like a part 2, paper, you know, on paper, and then may try to put that in practice with actual driving. Not sure exactly how I'm going to do all that yet. I don't know. A lot of things could happen there, but yeah, I'll try to see what I can do. And man, I'm getting really good at holding this camera steady without a tripod. See, woo, this is just me free holding it. So I'm getting better at, not so much when I'm switching hands, but I'm trying to get you guys some of the best video I can without you guys getting seasick. You know, you guys would be surprised at how much footage I just throw away because the camera was moving around too much or whatever. So I've been really trying to work on having a really steady hand. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. I am going to have a short video at the end of this of me cooking some chicken. As you can see in here, I got some individually wrapped chicken things I found at Walmart. Here's a cooked piece, some rice, and I've really been digging these. Okay, I got quite a few different flavors. Kickstart, they're really quite good, but I gotta clean out my cooler today. It's stanky, and water builds up in the bottom. And it's just the way that this cooler style is. It kind of sucks. So I got some cleaner, and I'm gonna clean it. We're over in Syracuse. It's not far from where my student lives, so we decided to, you know, park here. You know, he's visiting family for a little bit. We are heading down to Texas, so we are OTR right now. I'm going to be in Texas running local for quite a while, maybe a week or 2. You know, hey, throw some prayers down there. My mom's not doing very well right now. She's feeling quite sick. So I want to get home. I want to make sure I'm local. So, you know, if I got run by the house, I'm no more than a day away, or hopefully just a couple hours. So that's kind of what's happening there. But yeah, anyway, so I might have some home footage, you know, of me being home. I don't know yet. That's kind of debatable right now. I don't know what's all gonna happen there. Anyway, long story short, that's kind of what's going on. Going to try to get some more driving video while I'm sitting in the passenger seat, especially since I got to do the first 50 hours with the student. We got so many hours down already, so I'm going to try to get some footage, especially with us going cross country. There's some beautiful footage that way. That's pretty much it. I'm going to just start trying to clean up this truck a little bit. We got a couple more miles to do before the end of the day. And then we pick up at 0900 tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, rate, subscribe, and watch this beautiful beer footage starting up now. Yep, cooking chicken.